Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam teman-teman hadir pelatih dari Persija Jakarta, pemain Muhammad dan di sesi kedua pre-match press conference kali ini sebelum membuka pertanyaan akan pemaparan dulu dari pelatih terkait kesiapan tim menjelang pertandingan besok yang akan berlangsung di Stadion Gelora Bung Karno. Kick off pukul 16.00.
Because I cannot understand you. Okay. The preparation. Yeah. 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 Fantastic preparation. Selamat malam to everybody, and sorry that we are a little bit late. I think for me it's also a new record. 10:30 the press conference. Normally after the game, but yes, we had some problems with the weather in Jakarta, so we couldn't train 3 o'clock. We had to train 1 hour later, and yeah, the preparation now after 4 hours with the bus. I have not the right mood to speak about football because everybody is tired. Yeah, we know it's a very, very important game. It's El Clasico, and everybody is waiting for this game. But for us, was important that we could train now the last 2 weeks very well. Also from the athletic side, conditional side. Of course, some players they were not there because they were with the national team away, and yeah, good, really good preparation. We are happy how the team they trained with a lot of intensity, with a lot of motivation, but not only because we are playing now against Pessi. They do this well the last months also, and yesterday our supporters they came also to the trainings ground, and so I hope that we are ready also for tomorrow. 4 o'clock is the game, and 2 teams they are playing against each other. They are in a good shape, and yeah, we will see after 2 weeks rest. You never know how is the start in the game, because the rhythm is not the same like when you play every week. But so we are very positive about tomorrow.
Pertama-tama mohon maaf karena kami sedikit telat. Mas bilang ada rekor baru seperti sekarang, rekor termalam yang pernah dia lalui. Untuk persiapannya, balik lagi, kami sedikit telat karena kita latihan dan kebetulan cuacanya buruk, jadi sedikit tertunda. Sebenarnya moodnya juga nggak terlalu bagus karena tim kondisi capek. 4 jam perjalanan menuju ke Bandung. Coach Thomas bilang ini adalah klasikonya Indonesia. Semua nunggu pertandingan ini, dan persiapannya dalam 2 minggu ini sudah berjalan baik. Maupun sebenarnya ada beberapa pemain yang pergi untuk membela negaranya. Tapi Coach Thomas senang karena semua pemain berlatih dengan intens, dengan penuh motivasi. Tapi sebenarnya bukan karena kita mau melawan Persib, tapi sebenarnya dari bulan-bulan sebelumnya performa dalam latihan sudah mulai baik. Kebetulan juga kemarin Coach Thomas senang karena para supporter datang ke tempat latihan kami, dan Coach Thomas sudah siap untuk pertandingan besok. Dan Coach Thomas bilang dalam dua tim ini Persija dan Persib dan kondisi yang bagus. Tapi 2 minggu jeda bisa membuat ritme permainan bisa hilang, jadi nggak ada yang tahu untuk pertandingan besok seperti apa. Tapi Coach Thomas positif untuk pertandingan besok. Terima kasih.
Dari pemain persiapan?
Yang pertama yang saya sampaikan, sama seperti yang Coach Thomas bilang, kami dalam persiapan yang baik dalam minggu-minggu ini, dan kami datang ke Bandung untuk bisa meraih 3 poin, dan semoga bisa pertandingan yang baik bagi Persija dan Persib.
Silakan teman-teman, ada pertanyaan?
Ya.
Oh iya.
Ya, topik dari Koran 2 buat Coach Thomas, ada 2 pertanyaan Coach. Yang pertama, besok Anda akan bertemu Luis Milla, pelatih timnas sebelum STY. Milla juga sudah membuat Persib lebih baik sekarang. Apakah sebelumnya Anda sudah mengenal Milla? Dan bagaimana kira-kira pertemuan besok dengan Milla? Akan dikatakan berat buat Anda? Itu yang pertama. Yang kedua, bagaimana kondisi Kudela dan Yusuf setelah pulang dari timnas? Apakah kondisinya capek atau sudah setanding buat besok? Terima kasih.
Yes, I think he changed Persib not only about the results, because he's a really good coach also, and a lot of experience. I think we have the same age already, so similar. So I think he's also from '66. Ex-player, worked also for the national team, so he has a lot of experience in the federation, Spanish federation, also for the Indonesian national team, and they won the last 3 games. But for me, it's always important that we look about us. This is more important, because what's happened in Persib, this is not on my paper, but we realize this and respect about the work the last week also, what he did with the team. And but it's not Milla against all, because we cannot score and we cannot defending. It's good that the player, they have to decide a football game. We will prepare well our teams, and he know the German coaches, because he has a lot of experience. They prepare always well, also the teams, and I know this also from the Spanish colleagues. They understand a lot about football, and I hope we can see tomorrow a really, really good game, the 2 good teams, that everybody enjoyed this, not only in the stadium, also the guys on the television. Everything is safe. It's also important, but because I heard also about some stories the last years also, and we have to think about this always only a football game. And about the condition from the guys, we have to see how's the condition tomorrow with Kudela, because he has some Achilles problems. He came back from the national team, so it's not sure that he can play. Yusuf, he felt also tired after the long trip. He came back from Bahrain, also very late, and the rest from the national player, happy that Ferrari he could play for the national team. It's also good. He had a good development the last months also, and now the rest is everybody is ready and happy to have the game tomorrow in front. So I am happy to meet Luis tomorrow. Maybe we have time also to change some words, and that's all.
Ya, Coach Thomas bilang Luis Milla tidak merubah Persib dari hasil aja, tapi dari semua aspek, karena Luis Milla mempunyai banyak pengalaman. Coach Thomas bilang kayaknya kita antara Luis Milla dan Coach Thomas umuran. Dia juga mantan pemain, sama-sama mantan pemain. Dia juga pernah bekerja di Federasi Spanyol, sama juga dengan Indonesia. Tapi Coach Thomas sebenarnya lebih pengen melihat dari sisi Persija saja. apa yang dilakukan di Persib sebenarnya bukanlah selalu dipandang oleh Coach Thomas, tapi respect pada Persib dan sangat respect dengan cara kerja Luis Milla. Tapi besok itu bukan Milla lawan Dol, tapi karena pemain yang menentukan pertandingan besok. Kerja kami hanya mempersiapkan sebelum pertandingan. Dan Coach Thomas berharap semua baik-baik saja besok, karena Coach Thomas mendengar beberapa berita di musim-musim sebelumnya, tapi sebenarnya ini semua hanya tentang sepak bola. Untuk kabar dari Kudela, dia ada masalah dengan Achillesnya, jadi Coach Thomas belum tahu besok akan bermain atau tidak. Yusuf sedikit lelah karena dia telat datang juga ke Indonesia, tapi dia senang Ferrari akhirnya bermain untuk tim nasional senior dengan dalam artian perkembangan dia sangat baik di era bulan ini. Tapi berbicara dengan dari sisa pemain yang ada di tim, semua sudah siap untuk pertandingan besok, dan Coach Thomas juga pengen menyempatkan mengobrol dengan Luis Milla di besok hari. Terima kasih.
Coach, good evening. Nice to see you
Good
again.
evening.
Coach, how impactful your trip to Bandung, because you get a traffic, and how is the mood of the players during the trip to Bandung and for the game tomorrow also. Dan untuk Ferrari juga besok ketemu sama teman-temannya, ketemu Kakang, Robin, kemarin di senior main sama Flo, sama Ricky, sama mentor, gimana perasaannya juga bahwa teman-teman di timnas besok jadi lawan, dan mungkin Ferrari juga ada pesan ya sih buat kedua supporter juga.
He's so respectful, first the coach. But you can start also.
Ya, yang pertama saya bakal menikmati pertandingan besok karena bisa ketemu pemain-pemain hebat di klub, kakak Ricky, Bang Rianto, karena dan teman-teman dari 19 juga. Ini pertandingan yang bagus, saya bakal menikmati pertandingan. Dan untuk supporter, ya semoga dari mulai pertandingan besok semakin ke depannya makin lebih baik lagi.
Yeah, okay. So I will respond very honest because of course we spoke about the game, also what's happened in the past, because for me this is I know I played a lot of derbies also. I played in Rome and Dortmund, Schalke, and in Hamburg and everywhere in Europe, and but I never came with a tank into the stadium. And when I heard the first time about this made me very, very sad. Very sad. Disappointed, because everybody he loves football. You want to see football games. Families are coming to the stadium. Childs are in front of television, and we have to represent the Indonesian football also. And I think when pictures going around of the world, sure, in Germany they will also speak about this game because they speak about me also, and they see maybe some pictures that how we are going to the stadium. I think we are in 2022. This is a shame. I know you can have a lot of problems also, revival, and we have this everywhere on the world. But that player maybe, or families, or the wives from the player, they are scared about that they have a football game and they come healthy home. I think this cannot happen, really. I love every supporter. And everywhere where I was coach and player, I know how important is a derby. I know, but I know also how important is that everybody comes safe home, healthy home. And so this is the same when Persib is coming to Jakarta. It's the same. So it's not only now here in Bandung. And yeah, of course, it's not a normal football game. But we have to handle, and we can handle this on the best way. We have to be strong also from the mental side. It's the same when Bandung Persib is coming to Jakarta. It's the same, you know, they don't know what's happened. And that's why, really, I am 56 years old. And tomorrow, I don't know, I will sit inside in the tank. And it's not a war here. This is, a lot of people, they are loving when they hear this. But when you are sit inside and you have to play football, or you are next to the bench, because normally I stand up and I go to the side because I have to teach, I have to speak with my player, and I have to think something can fly from the tribune. I don't know, this cannot happen. And yeah, in the future they have to think about this kind of things. Normally when this kind of things happen, what I saw also in some videos, and not only here in Bandung, also in Jakarta, you have to think about also about the points for the game and this kind of things, because this cannot happen. And I hope, I know before the game, everybody is speaking. Also ex-coaches, presidents, everybody is speaking about, come on, we have this and this and this, and nothing happened really. And we will see. Tomorrow I want to see a good football game, and I hope everybody from my player is coming good home. Okay.
Oke. Jadi Coach Thomas bilang dia paham ini derby, tapi dia juga pernah di Eropa juga seperti Roma Lazio, Dortmund, Schalke. Tapi seumur hidup dia nggak pernah naik Barakuda mungkin maksudnya ya. Tapi dengan ini waktu pertama kali harus naik Barakuda, dia sangat sedih. Karena semua orang harusnya senang dengan sepak bola, tapi kenapa harus ada kejadian harus naik Barakuda seperti ini? Karena sebenarnya kita harus merepresentasikan sepak bola Indonesia. Kita hidup di 2022, Coach Thomas ini sebenarnya nggak perlu. Coach Thomas paham kita mungkin ada bermasalah dengan rival, tapi keluarga dan istri, mungkin anak dari pemain juga pasti khawatir. Mereka pengen semua pulang dengan kondisi yang baik-baik saja. Memang derby ini penting, tapi pulang dengan selamat ini juga penting. Sama halnya dengan waktu misalkan pas Persib nanti datang ke Jakarta, semua ini harus terjadi ya, maksudnya semua harus pulang dengan selamat. Tapi Coach Thomas bilang memang untuk saat ini kondisinya bukan sesuatu yang normal, tapi kita harus handle dengan baik. 56 tahun, Coach Thomas nggak menyangka bakal akan duduk di Barakuda untuk pergi ke stadium. Mungkin semua orang, kadang mungkin beberapa orang ketawa ngeliat ini, tapi kalau misalkan pas ke lapangan semua rasanya itu beda. Karena Coach Thomas perlu coaching di pinggir lapangan, Coach Thomas perlu maju dari bench, bisa aja dia kena dari lemparan supporter. Coach Thomas berharap kedepannya mungkin hal seperti ini harus dipikir-pikir lagi. Ya, kita lihat besok apa yang akan terjadi.
Oke, terima kasih teman-teman karena waktunya juga udah Persija butuh istirahat dan besok. Semoga pertandingan besok lancar, semua selamat dan pertandingannya menghibur semua pecinta sepak bola di tanah. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih.
Coach, foto coach. Take picture. Take picture. Ferrari. Nasi goreng. Kalem time. Gawe pick. Bubur. Coach. Right.
Sudah.
Okay, thank you. Terima kasih.
Thank you, Coach.
Selamat malam.
Baik, benar itu jumpa pers yang baru saja dilakukan oleh tim Persija Jakarta yang baru tiba di Bandung beberapa saat lalu, dan saat ini waktu sudah menunjukkan pukul jam 11 malam. Sekian dari laporan langsung dari saya, Cipta Permana, wartawan Tribun Jabar.